In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can make webcam look better on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on Bluetooth and devices. Scroll down and you'll find cameras. Then click on your camera. You also have a preview from here. So simply scroll down and you'll find the brightness. You can adjust that from here. You can increase that or you can simply lower that. You also have the contrast. You also have the sharpness, the saturation. Okay. So you can simply change that from here. And then click on system. Then click on display. Then for the display resolution, make sure this is set to recommended. Okay. And that's it. That's how you can easily make your webcam look better on your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.